Yo, what up? How's it going tonight, Romies? Hope everybody's having a good night. Let's see what the fuck's going on in here. Man, I look thirsty. Guess it's water night. Alright. Time to get to it. Getting big. I don't know, we're still good for a night. Sweet. Good. What's I'm gonna say there? It's gonna be a full house. It's a nice canopy though. Nothing wrong with that. Couple of the old leaves there. Still yellowed out, but everything for the most part is greened up and looking really good. Big plants for this room. Considering that they're on this table, which kinda, I don't know. I just might get rid of the table for a run or two. So we're back in the winter. Maybe we'll gear something else up. So this is gonna be sativa as fuck. Hopefully it flowers like an indica, because I don't want to wait for it forever. But I'll wait for a while for it. Yeah, everything's looking good. Yeah, we still got weight in there. Still heavy enough to go till tomorrow. I'm drinking a lot of water. Flood this table with 15 gallons. There's 14 plants in here. Flood that 15 gallons and they get her sucked dry before it gets a chance to drain it. Alright, Chromies, I'm out. Peace. Much love, y'all.